Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert 24 hours to 12 hours format in Excel. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Microsoft Excel. So let me show you. I'm going to put 10, and when I scroll, so here you can see that the time is in 24 hours. So how you can change into 12 hours? You simply need to select all these cells. So let me first select all the cell that of which I want to change the time. Okay, and then you need to click on the right mouse cursor, and here you need to click on format cells, and then you need to click on time, and then you need to select the third option and click on OK. So now you can see that the time is changed from 24 hours to 12 hours format. So this is a process by which you can convert 24 hours to 12 hours format in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.